Hi, Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a gingerbread house inspired by Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute gingerbread house, let's first start by drawing the squishmallow shape. So I'm going to start right here with a big curve. And with Squishmallows, it's always narrower at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and start this big curve. And bring it down just like the other side. About right there. And now I'm about the same height. I'm going to start to bring it down. And as always, it's all up to you. How squished you want your squishmallow. So you can make yours taller or shorter. I'm just going to start bringing this down. Just create this big squishmallow. There, and then I'm going to bring it in. So it's always kind of wider towards the bottom. And let's go ahead and connect. So right about here, I'm going to bring it in. And there's a shallow curve at the bottom. And connect. There. Okay, so now that we have this basic shape in, we're going to start to build our gingerbread house. So I am going to, let's just start right here. Let's find our center and we'll draw the roof first. So right about here in the center, I'm going to come down to about right here. Give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve that comes down at an angle. And about right here, I'll stop it. A little bit above the center. And I'm going to angle it out and then just bring it in. So same thing on the other side. Come down and you just want to be about the same area on the other side. Start to curve and bring it in. There. And then let's come back right here and we're going to just thicken this up. So just follow the curve you drew and out. So same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have this in, let's go ahead and we can start to put the eyes in. So right underneath here about this corner area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle for some so cute eyes. To make our gingerbread house extra cute. Okay, about one nice big circle in, and I'm going to come right across, say about right here on this side, and draw another circle. Just like the other one. Can't wait to see your fan art of your gingerbread house and how you decorate it. Okay, so now that I have that in, I'm going to go ahead and make them draw so cute eyes. Since I'm drawing big enough, I'm going to put in 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. This one a little bit wider. There. Okay, so now that the eye's in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then in between, let's give this gingerbread house a sweet smile. So I'm just going to draw a curve and cap it off. Aww. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw a door. So right underneath in the center, I'm going to go ahead and just draw this curve about right here. Right underneath the mouth. Right there. And we're just going to bring it down and come straight down to about right here. And same thing here. And about here, we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve, just kind of following the bottom. So now that we have our basic door in, a little bit coming out. Okay, so then from there we're going to, let's see here. I am just going to line it very quickly so that I can put some white around it when I color. But of course you don't need to do that. You can just make it white and then color. But I just want to show you to give our door a little trim of white. There. And then of course we're going to put a big doorknob right here. There. And let's draw our windows. So I'm going to come to the sides right here and we're just going to draw kind of like this rounded off rectangle or square. Round it off, bring it down, round off the corners, and connect. And I'm just going to give it a white trimmed once again. So just come right about here. Go all the way around, but towards the center, I'm just going to cut it to create these 4 rounded off shapes inside. So it's just approximate. There. And we need to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just kind of dragging this across so that I'm about the same height. So let's just say, give myself a point there. And I'm just going to look about right here and about almost the same distance. So let's say about right here. Just approximate. And once again, I'm just going to round it off. And try my best to be about the same as the other side. And I'm going to drag this across. Approximate. Round it off. There. Okay, now let's come in and draw the 4 panes of window. There. Okay, and then we need to draw some of this like candy cane thing going on about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a rounded off rectangle right about here. So I'm going to curve and I'm going to come straight down next to the door. And same thing here. And round it off. And we're going to come in here and just draw some angle lines. There. And so same thing on the other side. Right here. Come straight down next to the door. Round it off. And just like the other side. There. And once again. There. Okay, so then let's see what else. And then when you're coloring, just put in some cheeks right here. And in the center area, let's draw some of these decorations. So about right here. 2, 3, and thicken them up. And like I said, this is meant to inspire you, so you can decorate your gingerbread house however you like. Just following the Squishmallow original as much as possible. And one more. There, okay. And let's see here, maybe made it a little too low. Should be a little bit higher, but that's okay. So then let's come back about right here in this area. We're going to draw some circles, kind of at a curve to decorate it, and maybe one here. So same thing here. There. And then there's a bunch of swirly stuff going on in here if you want to do that. You're going to come here. And because I don't want to erase, I'm just going to draw it this way. And come right in here. So hopefully this helps you. And just draw these inside. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. Curve. Oh, getting messy, but it's okay. There, and once again, the inside. There. And you can put in some here as well. And last but not least, I need to add a chimney. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and add this little chimney right in this area, and then give it a little round, soft white part right here with some snow on the top. And that is pretty much it, except I need to put a heart, so I'll stick one right here to make this my Draw So Cute gingerbread house inspired by Squishmallows. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope this house brought a smile to your day and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.